Happy Sunday, everybody.
Be quiet, phone.
Alright, I just narrated my next live pasta, which was good. And for some reason, right at the end of it, I heard a very strange noise in the house, which is really creepy because I'm the only one home. Just untwisting your thing. Because Grandma's still gone and Mom and Dad aren't home, and neither is Evie. But I heard like a weird noise, like a sneeze or something. Hoping it was the rabbit. I don't know. I hate when there's strange noises. It's creepy. I made that one. And I also finished this one, this little one here. Sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna make another one. My shoulder kind of hurts, so I gotta let it rest a minute, but I'm gonna make another one. And yeah. I'm really enjoying making red, white, and blue ones. I don't know why, but I am. It's fun. Why not? I made one on my own idea, guys. It's like beads and knot things. Hey guys, you know what we haven't done in a really long time? The daily message off of Facebook. I don't know if any of you miss it, but I figured maybe it's time to do that. So, today we believe God wants you to know that what we need is to love without effort. Do not think that love, in order to be genuine, has to be extraordinary. Real love is simple, everyday kind of thing. Should be as I said. A smile, a hug, an encouragement. Continuous love without effort. In case you're wondering, I've finished all of the Doctor Who. Well, the 6 seasons, they don't have the 7th one on there yet. It was nice, and I sort of maybe cried again at the end. It was a cute ending. But, yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, somewhere along the line, it got like 1:30 in the morning, so I think I'm gonna go to bed. And I hope you all have a wonderful night, / morning, / whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night.
The light across the ocean waves by your side. I'd lie for 1,000 days. Keep it bright, your soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this